Hello, today you learn how to use Microsoft Word without wasting much of your time. We'll just start straight away. So for instance, the Microsoft Word is part of the Microsoft Office. So if you want to type letters and all that, this tool is very important for you to make use of. So first and foremost, once you open your Microsoft Word application on your system, first of all, just go to the file. When you click on file, see different options there. You click on save as, so that you can save your application, whatever you want to do before you start. You can see that window that pops up. Once that window pops up, you type the name of whatever you want to do. For instance, I'm just typing something that comes to my mind, like my application letter. It can be anything that you want to write about. You just go in there, type it, choose a folder to save it. You click save. Once you click save, automatically that document is saved in your system. So let's just hover around and see if we can learn one or two things from here. Okay, so now you want to type. There's what we call fonts, your font letters. There's the way you want your fonts to look like. You want your fonts to be more appealing to the people, so you can choose from any of these formats that you want your fonts to take. Then what I'm clicking on now is for you to know the size of your font. You want it to be big. The higher the number, the bigger the font size. So let's just look at example. Something else again is you want your font to be bold. So but let me just type a few things. Okay, I'm just typing my name. Okay, let's try something else. Let's say okay, the name of my organization is Keystech Academy. Okay, I just typed that. Now I've highlighted it. I want it bold. You see, once I click on the letter B, it becomes very bold, very legible for anyone to see. Okay, then if I want to increase, maybe I want to change the font size to something else. Okay, you can always do that. See Algerian, you see the way it looks now, so the font keeps changing. But it depends on what you really want to do, whether it's artistic or you're just writing a straightforward application letter. If you're writing an application letter, for instance, I think it will be better for you to use New Times Roman or instead of any of these other ones, or you can also use Calibri. So just choose your font, choose the size of the font as well, just close to it. You see the numbers right away. I'm just going through it again so that you can see. But each time you are doing this, just make sure that you highlight your letters before you do that. Okay, now we want to change to uppercase. Just click on that button there where you have capital letter A and small letter A. You highlight your font again. You can change it to uppercase, lowercase, and all that. If you want to change the color, go to the color button. Okay, you can always change the color of your text to your preferred color. Okay, so that's how you do that. Okay, let's go into it. I think black is preferable. Whatever color you prefer to use, you have the option to select the color within the color button there. Okay, I hope you are following. So I'm going back to my black color. Okay, so depending on the alignment you want your text, you want it to be on the left hand side, you want your text to move to the right hand side, or you want to move to be at the middle. Just look at where I'm clicking on. That will help you determine where you want. You want it on the left hand side, you click on that. On the right hand side, you click on that icon there. On the middle, you click on that icon. Okay, so I think so. Let's do something here. Let's do something here so that you can follow. I'll take you back to the left hand side. I'll take my text back to the left hand side because I want to type a few things down there. So okay, let's say for instance you are making a list of the items that you want to buy. So choose a list of items to buy. Now you're going to list them. See the way I'm listing these items, I'm not going to put any number, I'm not going to attach any number to them. There's a TV, phone, laptop, maybe shoe or something. So choose. Okay, now I want to attach numbers to these items I've listed. I just highlight, I go to the number button there, you can see them. Yes, the dialog button opens, click on the numbers. You see, automatically a number have been assigned to the items I listed. If you don't want numbers in this format, you want Roman figures, okay, you can always find it there. You just want to put stars at the side, they are all in that box. Okay, I want my text to look a bit more funky or reflective. Yes, just click on that and let's see it. Just follow the cursor, please. Okay, this looks more reflective and colorful. So what else I want to show you here? Okay, and I'm highlighting my text again. Okay, and to save. Okay, so let's go to the insert. Maybe you want to insert something special. You want to insert a clip art, whatever you want to insert on your Microsoft Word documents. You can go. That's for equation, formula. Okay, maybe you're into mathematics or you're doing statistics and you want to include some formulas. You can see that. So now this is very important. You want to put your items in a table. So this I draw a table depending on the number of columns or rows. You can select. If you want to increase it, just click on the right hand side, then tap enter. Just keep tapping enter. Then the number of tables or columns, rows will continue to increase. Okay. So you can click inside to type whatever you want to type inside the table. So you see, it's not every time you have some things to do, you have to go to a business center. These are some things you can actually do on your own without necessarily going to a business center. You can do this and have it printed out if you have a printer in the house, or simply make it easier for yourself. Just copy it from your laptop or computer, take it to the business center and just simply ask them to print that for you instead of going there to sit all day for them to do this. So you see, pretty easy. So just type in the items I wish to buy, the number, the cost per unit, number of units, total cost. So if you are somebody who's into business and at least you want to add some bits of technology to what you're doing. So you want to make it more beautiful, your list to more beautiful, or your table to be more beautiful. You see, you can as well make it colorful. Just click on the icon I'm currently clicking on, that insert. Okay, look at that. So you can choose any color that you want, and it's just going to come out beautifully well for you. It doesn't affect whatever you have typed inside the table. Just makes it more colorful. Okay, that's, you will see there under the table. Once you click on table, that comes up. Okay, there you go. If you don't understand, you can just go through the video again. Just follow my cursor. Okay, just follow my cursor. Once you click on the table, you see all that. I'm trying to see, is there any other basic thing you need to know? Okay, maybe you want to insert a picture. I want to insert a picture to on your Word document. Okay, you just click on insert picture, then it takes you to your folder in the computer where you have your pictures. You can select one of them. This one appears to be so big, so I can decide to reduce the size by just clicking on the size and shrink it a little bit more. then drag it down to a more appropriate place. So you see, pretty simple, really easy, and fun to do. So it's not every time you have to get someone to do this for you. So when I'm done, I'm just just going to save. Okay, on this file, just click on file to save. Whatever you want to do here, you can save and send. Okay,